Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I am going to show you how to draw this cat. I drew it by myself. I got a picture. And I'm going to show you step by step how to draw this cat. Okay, let's start now. Okay. I have my pen right here. And let's go. Put down your LPS and pick up that pen or pencil or whatever you're using to draw with. So step one, you kind of want to draw a line like this. Let's stop right there. And next step, you just got to draw that right there. And then you just draw that. Looks kind of the same. Try my best. Okay, next step. You are going to kind of put your pen right there and keep on going and stop about right there. And then you're going to go down a little like that. And then you're going to draw that. And there. Next step, you do this. You draw that and do that. Perfect. The head's a bit too big. It's fine, guys. Okay, so next step, you are going to pick up your pen or whatever you're done using to draw with. You're gonna do this. Keep on going. Stop right there. You're gonna go right here. Keep on going. Down, down, down. Whoop. There. And then you're gonna connect that. There. Like that. And then you are going to go back up there at the ear. And then you are going to do this. There. Next step, you are going to do this. Just draw that. Stop. And then you're going to do this. Just like that. Next step, you are going to draw a little upside down triangle right there for the nose. And you're going to draw this. Right there. Right there. Like that. Next step, you are going to draw a line. Just like that. And do that. Keep on going. Up. Do that. Just 2 lines. Look kind of the same, right? Next step, you are going to draw a circle just like this. Just right there. And then you're going to draw an eyelash right there. An eyelash right there. Just like that. You are going to do this now. I'm going to do that, and boop. There, stop. Going to put a circle here. And also you're going to put a circle here. Make it smaller. I accidentally made it almost the same size. Make it smaller. And then you are going to color in this spot, but do not get that dot. You kind of want to cover up that whiteness. There. As much as I got today. Now, you see, you are going to draw 2 lines. So you're going to draw one little line and another little line right there. Just like that. Next step, you are going to draw this right here and then this right here. Like that. Next step, you are going to do this. Draw a neck right there. Just like that. Then you're going to cut to that. And then do that. Perfect. Then you are going to want to do this. And you want to do this. Like that. Then you're going to do this. You are going to draw it over here. Then you're going to do this. Draw it right there. You're going to connect that to that. Sorry. To that. To that. Kind of the same. I actually messed up a little, but it's fine, guys. Just draw like that. Look. Okay. Next step. You've got to draw the tail, right? But first, you're going to do this. Gonna draw something like that. And on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Like that. You want to tell, right? So, next step, you're going to do this. There. And then you're going to do this. Just a little. And then last step. On every paw, you're going to do this. And there you have it. Kind of messed up a little, but guys, you can still draw it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do another episode of this, but I'm going to show you how to color it in. And then I'm going to draw more LPS that you request me to do. So comment down below what pet shops you want me to do. And I'll see you next time. And don't forget to smash that like button in the face and also subscribe. And hit that silver bell button for notification. And I'll see you next time. Bye!